It occurs to me that maybe I can make the highlight happen using CSS. So I can initially draw all of the boxes and make them transparent until the mouse is over them. I'm not exactly sure how to do that in the closure script. So like here, I could do something like wait, hold on. XY width height. Yeah, so here, I guess, I could maybe do something like style, I don't know, transparent. I don't know exactly what it is. Or like opacity, maybe? Opacity, and then have that be 0%. Initially. And then have a, what would I need? Like a on hover, is that even a thing? On hover, change the opacity or something? I don't know if I can do that. Let me try asking ChatGPT or Aider. Do I still have it up? I guess not. Claude Sonnet. Oh. Oh, my poor cat. Okay, I'm gonna go open the door for the cat. I'll be right back. Okay, the cat made it outside successfully. I'm going to set the model to be Open Router Anthropic Cloud Opus 4.6. I think that worked. Yeah, it looks like it worked. Okay, so then I'll add the file source 220. Oh shoot, what is the long name? Oh yeah, USA 1040 PDF input labeler app.cljs, and then I will ask in closure script, I want to make the highlights only show up when the mouse is hovering above the SVG rect made in the highlight component. Is there a way to do that with CSS on the rect element? Bam. Let's see what it says. And then there's a hover. Okay. Oh shoot. I forgot to add that. Let's see. I want instead, what is it currently? So it's currently set to diff. I don't want that. I want ask. Class highlight rect, fill transparent, style highlight color. Okay. Do I want to add that? Maybe. Oh, my alarm is going off. Why is my alarm going off? Oh, I have a thing coming up. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's say yes and see what it does with that. Okay. That is not... That's way more than I intended. Oh, it looks like it's working, though. Yeah, I wanted to actually write the code for this, but... Oh, I'm curious. What does it do here? Okay, so it's highlighting So this has both text and an input field, where it has like the very light MM and YYY. Is there anywhere else that has that? I haven't seen anywhere else that has something like that. Maybe there's another date in here somewhere. Date. And that's a place where you have to like write it by hand. Okay. It looks like that worked. I guess I'll go look at what changes it made. Files modified. Yeah, I don't like that. Ask. Switching to ask, and then let's go look at the modification that it made. I want to see what exactly it did. Okay, so here's what it did before. In the highlight component, render the rect with fill transparent. By default, store the actual color in a custom property highlight color and add a class highlight rect. Oh wow, this is more involved than I thought it would be. Okay. Add a CSS rule for that uses the custom property. Okay, so this is what it was, and we added a class highlight rect. Why didn't we do it here? I don't know. Yeah, why didn't we do it here? Why do it here? Dot highlight rect. Yeah, I don't love that. I guess I can just go modify it. Here? Yeah, so that should be highlight rect, and that means we can get rid of this. And does it still work? Of course it does. Cool. Let's go back here and see what else it did. XY width height, fill transparent. That part is key. Style, we add this as something with this as the value. I see. Okay, and then we have a transform which does the rotation, which is what we used to have. Yeah, that's what we used to have. Okay, so then this dash dash highlight color, I guess this is how you do custom properties. I'm not super familiar with CSS, so that's cool to know that. Now I need to add a CSS rule. Please add the blah so I can add the hover rule there. In the meantime, if you'd prefer a quick self-contained approach without editing the CSS, you could instead use a reagent local state with on-mouse enter and on-mouse leave. Ah, I like that. Okay. Yeah, I was wondering if there was an on-hover. I guess on-mouse enter and on-mouse leave is close enough. Oh yeah, I guess you would need on-mouse enter and on-mouse leave and not just on-hover. Or you would need like an on-hover and an on-unhover, which is basically, that ends up being the same thing. But the CSS approach is simpler and more performant. Oh, that's cool. I was thinking that it was going to be less code to have in my own thing, and I thought maybe in my own, like in this file, if I just use CSS rules. Hopefully I don't have to do anything more sophisticated. Let's see. Oh, I am going to have to sometimes actually do the highlighting, like maintain the highlighting if I leave it there for a while. Okay, and then let's see. In the highlight component, set fill to transparent. Wait. What is the difference here? Ah, dang it, that's 10 minutes. And I paused for a little bit because the cat went out. Isn't this the same thing? Did it repeat itself? In the highlight component, fill to transparent. We have class again, fill transparent, style. Yeah, this seems like it's just repeating itself. And then we change this. Height auto important. Wow, what is even the difference here? I don't see a difference here. Wait, is this in the CSS file? Public styles equals, no, greater than, less than, neither of those. Okay, so it's not actually in the CSS file. That's good. Oh, I see. Okay, so we find that, and then we add these other rules. SVG, highlight rects, transparent by default, colored on hover, pointer events all. What is that? I don't know. Fill, use the variable highlight color, replace. Okay, cool. And yeah, I don't like that it did it automatically. I need to set it to be ask by default. Let's go change aider. Whoops. aider.conf.yaml diff ask. Diff ask. Is that the only place where ask shows up? Ask by itself. Ah, wait, hold on. No, don't care about that. Okay, hopefully this is the right thing to do for that. I guess I could try killing and reopening. And see what it does. Go back here and hopefully it doesn't say that there's an error. Okay, cool. It's ask mode by default. That's cool. All right, I'll call it there.